When it comes to the size of your breasts, there are several forces at work. Genetics, mass, age and hormones all factor in, and your diet may play a bigger role than you think. If you'd like to try increasing your breast size naturally, stock some of these foods in your refrigerator and pantry. In this video we will talk with 7 foods for bigger breasts. Number 7. Monounsaturated fats. Think about it this way, your breasts are comprised of epithelial and fat tissue. So, if we want to stimulate fat or cell production, we need to make sure we're eating healthy fats, right? In theory, monounsaturated fats may keep your metabolism burning on high while promoting breast tissue growth. At least that's what many believe. To see if this works for you, try incorporating more olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, eggs and cold water fish in your diet. Number 6. Seeds. Many seed varieties contain lignin, a type of phytoestrogen that mimics estrogen in the body. Try incorporating fennel seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds and sunflower seeds into your daily routine. These have some of the highest lignin counts in the seed family. Beyond breast size, there are other reasons to eat lignans too. One study showed a promising link between lignans and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 5. Nuts. Many types of nuts contain healthy fats, proteins, and isoflavones, which are similar to estrogen. Some of the best nut sources of this estrogen-like compound are almonds, chestnuts, peanuts, and pistachios. Number 4. Vegetables. Kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and cauliflower all contain lignans, the same type of chemical compound found in seeds discussed earlier. While leafy green vegetables may not contain enough estrogen to make a substantial difference to breast size, they are known to inhibit testosterone production, one of the culprits behind smaller breasts. Plus, the high antioxidant and vitamin content helps promote radiant skin by building healthy tissue and protecting against free radical damage. That's a great way to keep your breasts looking supple. Number 3. Fruits. Like many other foods on this list, fruits contain lignin, which is said to promote breast growth by acting like estrogen in the body. Some of the richest sources include apples, strawberries, raspberries, cherries, peaches, oranges, plums and melons. Number 2. Dairy products. Milk and cheese contain similar hormones to those found in our bodies, like estrogen, progesterone and prolactin. Prolactin, by the way, is produced when new moms are breastfeeding, so you can see how many people think it helps to increase breast size naturally. As always, raw dairy products are best from a verified source without RBGH, a bovine growth hormone. Number 1. Seafood. Oysters, prawns, shellfish, and seaweed contain high levels of manganese, which helps promote the proper functioning of the thyroid and sex hormones in the body, like estrogen and progesterone. Many believe well-regulated hormones can lead to a natural boost in cup size. If you need another reason to eat seafood, oysters are a known aphrodisiac. Enjoy!